Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover cultural context with Tandem, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover cultural context with Tandem, begin by opening the app on your device. Sign in to your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the main screen. Select the search function to find language partners. Filter your search based on the languages you wish to practice. Look for profiles that indicate cultural interests or specific topics. Send a message to potential partners expressing your desire to discuss cultural context. Once a partner responds, arrange a time to chat via text, audio, or video. Prepare a few questions or topics related to the culture you're interested in. During the conversation, ask about their traditions, customs, or everyday life. Engage actively by showing curiosity and asking follow-up questions. Take notes on key points to remember for future discussions. After the conversation, reflect on what you've learned and how it connects to your own culture. Consider setting up regular chats to deepen your understanding over time. Utilize Tandem's resources, like language tips and cultural articles, for additional context. Join community forums within the app to discuss cultural topics with a wider audience. Apply your newfound knowledge to enhance your language skills in real contexts. Continue exploring and connecting with diverse individuals to broaden your cultural perspective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.